Welcome back to Techtide-Uk, where we dive into the latest in tech and AI. Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating AI models out there, DALL-E by OpenAI. This model isn't just your typical text-to-image generator, it's a revolutionary tool that can create stunning visuals from just a few words. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or just curious about AI, you'll want to stick around for this one. Imagine a world where art is no longer confined to the brushstrokes of a painter or the chisel of a sculptor. Picture a reality where words themselves hold the power to conjure vibrant images, transforming imagination into visual masterpieces. This is the remarkable potential unlocked by DALL-E, a revolutionary artificial intelligence created by OpenAI. DALL-E stands as a testament to the ever-evolving capabilities of AI, pushing the boundaries of creativity into uncharted territory. At its core, DALL-E is an AI system that generates images from textual descriptions called prompts. You provide the words and DALL-E paints the picture. This groundbreaking technology allows anyone to become an artist, limited only by the scope of their imagination. Want to see a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E can make it happen. The implications of this technology are far-reaching, touching upon fields as diverse as art, design, marketing, and education. DALL-E has the potential to democratize art creation, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. It's a powerful tool for communication, education, and entertainment, poised to revolutionize the way we interact with and experience the world around us. The development of DALL-E marks a significant milestone in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the boundless possibilities that emerge when we push the limits of technology. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of DALL-E, we'll explore its inner workings, its vast potential, and the profound implications it holds for the future of art and creativity. Imagine artists collaborating with AI, brainstorming sessions where human creativity meets machine precision, resulting in artworks that were once thought impossible, public spaces adorned with AI-generated art, interactive digital installations that engage communities, and exhibitions that challenge our perceptions of creativity. In education, children can use AI tools for school projects, allowing them to explore new creative avenues and learn in ways that were previously unimaginable. Businesses can leverage AI for branding, creating innovative advertising campaigns that capture the imagination and attention of their audience. In the world of film and media, AI-generated visuals can enhance storytelling, creating special effects that are both stunning and cost-effective. Even in healthcare, AI art can play a therapeutic role, providing patients with engaging visuals that aid in their recovery and well-being. The global collaboration facilitated by AI allows artists from different cultures to work together, creating cross-cultural art projects that celebrate diversity and unity. As we look to the future, the vision of AI in art continues to expand, with speculative concepts and visionary artists pushing the boundaries of what is possible. AI art exhibitions are sparking public reactions and discussions, prompting us to rethink the future of creativity and the role of technology in our lives. In research labs, scientists and artists are collaborating, leading to breakthroughs in AI technology that will shape the next generation of creative tools. The integration of AI-generated art in virtual reality offers immersive experiences, transporting us to new worlds and redefining the future of digital art. As we close this chapter, we are left with an optimistic vision of the future, where AI and human creativity coexist, leading to endless possibilities and a new era of artistic expression. To understand the magic behind DALL-E's artistic prowess, we must journey into the intricate workings of its artificial mind. This journey takes us deep into the realm of artificial intelligence, where complex algorithms and vast datasets converge to create something truly extraordinary. At its heart lies a powerful engine known as GPT-3, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This engine is the result of years of research and development, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. This sophisticated language model forms the foundation of DALL-E's ability to comprehend and translate human language into stunning visuals. It's not just about understanding words, it's about grasping the context, the nuances, and the subtleties that make human language so rich and complex. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, represents a significant leap forward in the field of natural language processing. It's a marvel of modern technology, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. It's a deep learning algorithm trained on a massive dataset of text and code, enabling it to generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The sheer scale of the data it has been trained on allows it to understand and generate text with an uncanny level of accuracy. In the context of DALL-E, GPT-3 serves as the bridge between the world of words and the realm of imagery. This bridge is not just a simple connection, it's a sophisticated translation mechanism that converts textual descriptions into visual masterpieces. When you input a text prompt, such as a painting of a fox wearing sunglasses in the style of Van Gogh, GPT-3 processes this information, deconstructing the sentence into its essential components. It's a meticulous process that involves understanding each element of the prompt and how they relate to each other. It identifies the subject, a fox, the action, wearing sunglasses, and the desired artistic style, Van Gogh. Each of these components is then used to generate an image that matches the description as closely as possible. This deep understanding of language forms the cornerstone of DALL-E's creative process. It's not just about generating images, it's about creating art that resonates with the intent behind the words. It's this ability to grasp the nuances of human language that allows DALL-E to generate images that are not only visually impressive, but also remarkably aligned with the user's intent. This alignment is crucial for creating images that truly reflect the user's vision. In essence, DALL-E represents a fusion of language and vision, a testament to the power of AI to blur the lines between different forms of human expression. This fusion opens up new possibilities for creativity, allowing users to explore the boundaries of their imagination. By harnessing the capabilities of GPT-3, DALL-E unlocks a world of creative possibilities, empowering users to transform their textual imaginations into vibrant visual realities. This transformation is not just a technical achievement, it's a new way of thinking about art and creativity in the digital age. While GPT-3 provides the linguistic foundation for DALL-E's creative abilities, the true magic happens within a specialized component known as a transformer. This transformer is not just any ordinary neural network, it is a sophisticated architecture that has revolutionized the way we process and understand sequential data. This sophisticated neural network architecture is specifically designed to handle sequential data, making it ideal for processing language, music, and even images. By understanding the sequence and context of data, transformers can generate coherent and contextually relevant outputs, whether it's a sentence, a melody, or a visual representation. Think of a transformer as a master weaver, capable of intricately connecting threads of information to create a cohesive tapestry. Each thread represents a piece of data, and the transformer weaves them together to form a complete picture, much like how a weaver creates a beautiful fabric from individual threads. In DALL-E's case, these threads are the individual words and phrases within your text prompt. The transformer takes these words and phrases and analyzes them in relation to each other, understanding the context and nuances that give meaning to the text. The transformer analyzes these words not in isolation, but in relation to each other, capturing the subtle nuances of meaning and context. This allows DALL-E to generate images that are not only relevant, but also rich in detail and context, reflecting the true essence of the text prompt. But DALL-E's ingenuity doesn't stop there. The process of generating images that accurately reflect the user's intent requires more than just understanding the text. It also involves ensuring that the generated images align with the user's expectations. To ensure the generated images accurately reflect the user's intent, OpenAI incorporated another crucial component, CLIP, or Contrastive Language Image Pre-training. CLIP is a model that has been trained to understand the relationship between text and images, making it an essential part of DALL-E's image generation process. CLIP acts as a discerning art critic, evaluating the alignment between the generated image and the original text prompt. It ensures that the image not only matches the text but also captures the nuances and subtleties that make the image truly representative of the text. Imagine Clip as a bridge between the worlds of language and imagery. It connects the textual description with the visual representation, ensuring that the generated image is a true reflection of the text prompt. It has been trained on a massive dataset of text-image pairs, learning to recognize the intricate relationships between words and their visual counterparts. This extensive training allows Clip to understand and interpret a wide range of text prompts and generate corresponding images that are both accurate and contextually relevant. When DALL-E generates an image, Clip steps in, comparing it to the initial text prompt and providing feedback to ensure a harmonious match. This feedback loop ensures that the final image is not only accurate but also aligns with the user's expectations and the context of the text prompt. This intricate interplay between transformers and Clip is what sets DALL-E apart from traditional image generation techniques. Traditional methods often rely on predefined rules and patterns, whereas DALL-E leverages the power of deep learning to generate images that are both creative and contextually relevant. It's a testament to the power of deep learning to bridge the gap between human language and visual understanding, paving the way for a new era of AI-powered creativity. This collaboration between AI and humans opens up new possibilities for creative expression, allowing us to explore and create in ways that were previously unimaginable. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into DALL-E. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, or just a tech enthusiast, this AI tool opens up a world of possibilities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on the latest in AI and technology. What would you like to create with DALL-E? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.